cut costs, breaking down the meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase commonly used in the business world, cut costs. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. When we say cut, we often think of using scissors to slice something, right? And costs refer to the amount of money required for something. However, when combined, the meaning is not about physically slicing money. Instead, it's a figurative expression. Cut costs means to reduce expenses or find ways to save money. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but using it in real-life sentences is another. Let's look at some examples. 1. Many companies are trying to cut costs by allowing employees to work from home. 2. If we want to go on that vacation, we need to cut costs and save some money this month. 3. By switching to a different supplier, they managed to cut costs significantly. Notice how in each sentence, the focus is on saving money or reducing expenses. Sometimes, it's useful to know other ways to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for cut costs: reduce expenditures, trim the budget, save on expenses, minimize spending. And there we have it. Next time you hear someone talking about the need to cut costs, you'll know they're discussing ways to save money or reduce expenses. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of this important phrase. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.